Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this lesson, I discuss standard normal variate and standard normal distribution and integral. These three definitions. What is standard normal variate? Any standard variate is nothing but x minus mean divided by standard deviation. This is the formula for standard variate. Whichever it is, whatever the distribution it is. But if you consider x follows a normal distribution with mean mu and variance sigma square, which means the standard deviation is considered sigma. Then the standard normal variate is defined as z is equal to x minus its mean mu divided by standard deviation sigma. This is called standard normal variate. It is also called standard normal variable. Standard normal variable. Okay. So this is what standard normal variate, the definition. That is equal to x minus mu by sigma is known as standard normal variate. If x follows n mu sigma square, then this is standard normal variate. Now come to the standard normal distribution. If any standard normal variate z following or satisfying having a probability density function, the probability density function I am writing as phi of z is equal to 1 by root 2 pi and e power minus z square by 2, for which limits of z minus infinity less than z less than infinity. Any particular standard normal variable z having the probability density function phi of z. Why we are calling phi of z? Usually we are using f of x, the PDF of x, f of x. Here we are denoting with the probability density function of z with phi of z. Remember, phi of z. We don't use this kind of notation for any variable x. For all the variables, that is for all notation for all if the variable x, for all distributions we use probability density function is f of x. F of x. Now we are taking phi of z. That is the difference you observe here. Phi of z. This is also you can call f of z. No problem. F of z. Right? 1 by root 2 pi. What is this PDF? 1 by root 2 pi e power minus z square by 2. And limits are minus infinity to infinity. Minus infinity less than z less than infinity. What are the mean and variance for this standard normal distribution? 0 and 1. This is the special important property. Special important property of the standard normal distribution. Z follows normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 1. This is what the another important property that you have to remember. Okay, we will discuss later on. And what is standard normal integral? The integral I am writing now. The integral, standard normal integral. This is standard normal integral. It is integral minus infinity to infinity e power minus z square by 2 dz is equal to root 2 pi. This is the value of the integral. If any integral in the form of integral minus infinity to infinity with the limits e power minus z square by 2 dz is equal to root 2 pi. This is what the standard normal integral. You have to remember this formula. This is standard normal distribution definition. This is standard normal variate. Standard normal variate, standard normal distribution, standard normal integral. These are the three definitions we have learned in this class. Thank you so much, which are very important, which are very important.